In this video, I will show you how to recover PayPal password. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to paypal.com. From here, what you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the login button. So what that's going to do is take you to the login screen, and what you need to do is actually click the blue link down here which says forgotten password. So on the next screen you're going to see a screen like this where it says authentication required. All you want to do is come down and select use the PayPal app or whichever verification method it gives you, and then click the blue next button. So once you've completed the security check, you'll be taken to this screen where you can create a new password. So at this point you want to go ahead and create your new password, and after doing this make sure the passwords do match. And if you've done that successfully, we're going to get a tick down here. Once that's done, just come and click the blue save button. As you can see, it now says new password created. Just a second. What it's going to do is take us back to the login screen where we can go ahead and now use that new password and get back into our PayPal account. So that is how to recover PayPal password. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.